Kyrtong ke National People's Party hak election MP Rajya Sabha James ke Sangma ula job sukum MP berthamai jangka Meghalaya hadin ba Samla bayakhun persya. Ya ka Kyrtong jong James ke Sangma kum MP berthamai lapan benar da returning officer mentakasngi ha office rekam jangka Meghalaya secretariat. Hakani kesngi la senran lang ya MP berthamai da ki menteri sorkar bat ki MLA nalor ki nongkit kam ka parti. Ya ka Kyrtong James naga benta ka Shuki MP Rajya Sabha la kershan lang da barok ki parti badan lang haka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance.
I, Sri Malthas S. Sangma, MCS, returning official for election to the Council of States by the elected members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, hereby certify that I have, on the 11th day of June 2026, declared Sri James Pangsang Hongkal Sangma, sponsored by the National People's Party, to have been duly elected in a biennial election to be a member of the Council of States, and that, in token thereof, I have granted him this certificate of election. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
I just with the returning officer and the process for the last date for withdrawal, which was slated for 3 p.m. today, was completed, and after that I have just now received my certificate of election from the hands of the returning officer, and I just want to say this, that I feel deeply humbled, and yet at the same time I feel very, very honored to be shouldering this responsibility. I know it is a very, very big responsibility to represent our state of Meghalaya in the upper house, and knowing my responsibility fully well, I intend to carry this responsibility with all my dedication and my sincerity.